just going to show you how to insert a header, because this is also important on your examination. So let's just read number 2 on the instructions. Insert your examination number, only the number, which is your ID number, and question 4A as a header. So this is what we are doing on this question. We are inserting a header. Your examination number should be on the left. Take note, the examination number must be left aligned. And question 4A should be on the right. So it means that Q4A or question 4A should be right aligned on the header. Okay? So this is not a transmesh. Let's do this. Okay? So where do we get the header? On our workbook. It's there on the insert tab. When you click on insert, then you just go and browse through your ribbons. You look for header. There's header and footer. And then you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to display like this. You see? So this is your header. That's why the header is written there. So remember what the instruction said. Let's look at the instruction. The instruction said examination number should be on the left. So let's go and do that. Okay? So you can just click with your mouse on the left, then you key in your examination number, your 12 digits. Okay? And then to move to the right, you can use the tab key on your keyboard. Just tap, it goes to the center alignment. We don't want to use the center, but we want the right. So you goes to the right, then you put in your question your question 4A, like that. So if you want it capital letters, it's fine. And just put in the caps lock, then it's Q4A. Okay, so click anywhere, then you are done. So this is your header, aligned, your ID aligned on the left, and your question 4A aligned on the right. So this is how you insert the header.